Let me show you on this video how you can integrate Jotform with your favorite productivity tools. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect with your favorite productivity tools here on Jotform. You'll find all the available integrations in the top menu when you are on your dashboard. So head on over to integrations, click on see more integrations. And if we scroll down a bit, there's a full list of all the available integrations here on Jotform. Many of these, they are productivity tools. So you can go ahead and connect right now with Asana, Salesforce, Airtable, Monday, Zoho, and so many productivity tools available here on Jotform that you can start integrating with. The idea here is to expand the potential of your forms, workflows, your e-sign documents, and much more. So the idea, if you want to integrate, for example, with Airtable, go ahead and select it, and you'll be able to find out what are the capabilities with Jotform and Airtable in this case. And if you want to use this, go ahead and click on Add to Form, and this will give us the option to create a brand new form, select the form that we previously created, or use a template. So if I select a form that I previously created, go ahead and select the form that you want to integrate with, and this will take you directly to the settings section of that form and the integration menu. So that means that we can now start integrating with your favorite productivity tools here on Jotform. So expand the potential of your forms, workflows, apps, and much more here on Jotform. So start connecting right now with your favorite productivity tool and you'll be good to go. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available productivity tools here on Jotform and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.